So for this problem, what you need to do is look at it in groups. So we've got 4 tests. All right, so let's go down here and find the 4 tests. Count 40%. All right, now there's 2 ways to do this. You can take the average of these 4 numbers up here and then multiply that by 40%. Or if you realize that there's 4 tests and there's 40%, then each one is worth 10%. That might be a way of doing it, just to, because probably nobody's going to recognize to do it that way. I'm going to do it that way just to show you that you can do it that way. So we're going to multiply each one of those by 0.1. Okay, so again, alternatively, you can take the average again of those numbers and then multiply that by 40%. You'll get the same thing in the final calculation. All right, so that's that. Now the 76 on the final. All right, so she made a 76 on the final, and the final counts 20%. So we'll do plus 76 times 0.2. And then the final thing is the class project. Well, not the final thing, there's 2 more things. 78 on the class project, and the project counts 10%. So 78 times 0.1. And then the final thing will be the homework. The homework grade was 84, and the homework is 30%. Now, one thing we need to make sure of here is that we divide by all the various factors here, and they should add up to 100% for a grade calculation. But we had these 4.1s, right, for the 40%, and then we had the 20% here, the 10% for the project, and the 30% for the homework. So that does in fact add up to 1. If you add 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3, that equals 1. All right, so generally in calculations of a student's average like this, you don't need to worry about that, but some weighted averages can have factors that add up to more than 100% for some reason. All right, so I'll pull out the calculator and check all of that, and we'll see what we get. And so I've just done that calculation, and I did confirm that it is in fact going to be equal to 82.2. And again, just to show you real quick, since we have some time left before this video stops, I'll show you that we can do the average of the 4 tests as well. So let's find that. So I'm going to take 94 plus 75 plus 82 plus 89 and divide by 4. And so when I do that, I get 85. And then you can take 85 times the 40%, and you get 34. And that's the same thing you get if you take these numbers up here. 94 times 0.1 is 9.4. 75 times 0.1 is 7.5. You just move the decimal 1 to the left. And so if you add those 4 blue numbers up, you also get 34. So the 40% portion that is the tests contributes 34 points to the overall grade, no matter how you do it, whether you do it this way or this way. All right, so just to show you a couple of different ways to do that, and that's a weighted average.